I had a chance to check out the town of Hallettsville, Texas on my way from Houston into the Texas Hill Country. And thanks to the Houston area for giving me a good amount of gigs while I was out there, and I'm looking forward to playing some music out there in the Texas Hill Country and Austin areas coming up. Hallettsville is a small Texas town with a population approaching 3,000 people. It is located along Highway 90, midway between Houston and San Antonio, and it's one of the few Texas towns that has a founding mother instead of a founding father. It came about in 1836 when Margaret Hallett donated the land for the town site. The area became populated by German and Chech settlers after the Civil War, and it initially began as a trading post, but then became the county's agricultural center. So the area is based on agriculture, where you've got farmers that are raising cattle and growing rice, and they've got pecans and fruit and hay and corn, and they got a market square there on many Saturdays where they're out there selling those goods. And farming is so instrumental that the town motto is "Destroy our farms and grass will grow on the streets of our city." Today, Hallettsville is known as the city of hospitality, and so they're big on the community that they have here being warm and welcoming. Many folks who grow up here go somewhere else to check out another place and then end up coming back here. And it is regarded as a regional center for businesses and shopping and also medical care, and it is the county seat of Lavaca County. They do proudly call themselves the Domino capital of Texas, where since 1954 they've hosted the Texas State Championship Domino Tournament. And they do have a historic square here with a lot of interesting looking buildings, and that's the footage that I've been showing here. They've got a courthouse building that goes back to 1897, part of the National Register of Historic Places. And apparently they chose this courthouse square as the backdrop for scenes in The Best Little Whorehouse in Texas. They do have a movie theater on the square called Cole Theater. And in terms of festivities, they've also got the Hallettsville Kolache Fest every year with live music and kolache eating contests. And since 1971, they've got Fiddlers Frolics, which is the state championship fiddle contest. And in terms of food, there's a few Tex-Mex places there on the square, and so I was able to find some food at Los Primos. In terms of live music right there on the square, there's a place called Lavaca Drinkery, and I've seen that they have live music there sometimes. So that's a look at Hallettsville there, and after that I was able to get back on the road on my way into the Texas Hill Country.
Take me down to the river town, won't you take me down to Cemetery Road? Take me down to the river town, won't you take me down to Cemetery Road? It's a place in town that you don't want to go. Alligators out there swimming in the swamps and in the bowl of seafood gumbo. They got alligators out there swimming in the swamp. Well, I've been there once and I ain't going back. You know, every little town got a place like that. Every little town got a place like that. Every little town got a place like that.
Thanks for checking out this video. I'm posting all about touring around Texas and the music scene of Texas, including my own songs here on my YouTube channel. You could go ahead and click on the channel and check out those thumbnails and see which topics are interesting to you. Give those videos a view. Thanks for giving this video a view, and thank you for your support.